Hi, I'm Brian with Pioneer Builders, walking you through the mechanical systems in this particular home. We've got heating and cooling with the ducted mini split system, so it uses VRF technology or variable refrigerant flow. This is the outdoor unit, commonly called. It's the compressor. It gets power here. This is the disconnect. Each of these lines then supplies power to a head unit in the great room area, which you'll see, as well as the ducted unit that's up in the attic. And then here's a condensation drain for the ducted unit in the attic. As we walk along here, you'll see two exhaust fan discharges. And then we've supplied fresh air through the Panasonic Enthalpy 100 system. So this guy that has the flapper on the right is the intake, or exhaust, sorry, said that backwards. That guy with the screen is the intake. This is the exhaust. So as we come into the home, we'll show you how all of this distributes. So in here is where the head unit is. This has a condensation drain as well. It's received its power. Right now it's off because the guys are moving the model home furniture and they don't need to be too hot. As we come back here, you'll see this is the return. This is the return air grill. It's got the filter, and this pulls air into the ducted unit for the mini split. When you come in here, this is the receiver for the remote control. So this side of the house is all taken care of with its heating and cooling through the ducted unit up in the attic. This is supplying air to this room, and this is extracting air. So in this particular configuration, what we've done is we've taken the ERV, I'll show you where that is in just a moment. It pulls the fresh air from the outside, and then with the ducted unit up in the attic, right on the front side, is where the supply comes in, and then it distributes out through all of these ducts. The extract air comes from the bedrooms, might be one in, yeah, only the bedrooms in this particular home. And it all combines into the exhaust side, which goes to the ERV and exhaust. So it's a balanced system that's turned on all the time. And for our last two other components, we have dedicated exhaust fans in all of the bathrooms and in the laundry room. I don't like to combine them with the ERV system. I like to keep that completely separated. And then in here, the access to get to the ducted unit is up in this attic access. We've got a great platform so that maintenance can be done. We have a dedicated switch here for the ERV, so you can kill the power from down here. Of course, you've got controls up there where you do all of your adjustments. There's a filter up there, so all of the fresh air is filtered, and of course there's lighting up there. What we do on our homes is we give 4 home visits as part of our package, because these are fairly complicated homes with all of these systems integrating, and even controlling with the remote control, people sometimes do things that they don't even realize they've done. So we're coming through every 3 months, quarterly, so that we can just make sure everything's working the way it's supposed to. So hopefully that was helpful. That's how this particular house is done, and to be quite honest, every house is done a little bit differently. So if you have any comments, comment below. If you have any questions, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd love you to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.